Hi everyone, Ovidiu Ponoran here, Product Manager at UiPath. Today I'm going to show you how to use in practice the UiPath Azure.activities package developed recently by UiPath. After installing the package, you'll see the activities available in your UiPath Studio under Cloud, Azure. There are more than 50 activities that enables IT departments to easily automate important Azure operations in their workflows, like managing resource groups, storage accounts, blob containers, blobs, tables, and virtual machines. Today, I will show you an example of some workflows which are using these activities. We have a local folders with accounting reports from 3 different companies for different fiscal years. We want to create 3 workflows. One that uploads all these files into the cloud, to the Azure cloud, and then download those files which represent reports from year 2018 from all these companies. And finally, check that the blobs cannot be accessed publicly if one has their URL. Let me show you how to achieve this in UiPath Studio. So first, we have the main workflow, secure cloud data storage, which uses first an Azure scope activity in order to connect to Azure cloud and to provide a scope for other Azure activities. Then we are going to create a resource group. Inside that resource group, we are creating a storage account, and then we are calling the other workflows. The first workflow is uploading the files as blobs into the cloud. So for this, we are creating a blob container for each company, and then we are uploading the files as block blob into that container. And we also add some metadata to the blob. The second workflow, download all the reports from year 2018 for all these companies. So first we need a for each blob container activity, which go through all these companies. And for each blob of a company, which represent a report file, in case the report year is 2018, it download the blob locally. And finally, we are using an HTTP request activity, which check if having the blob URI, one cannot publicly access the blob. So let's run this process. It will take around 2 minutes. So let's switch to Azure Cloud Platform, to the resource group Azure.activities. We are going to create the storage account and the blob containers, and where we are going to load these blobs files. Let me see. So now the storage account has been created. Now we are uploading the blobs, and finally you see having the URL of these blobs. We are trying to access them publicly, and this failed as expected because they are private blobs. Okay, so let's see the result in Azure activities. Let's refresh the view. and we have the new storage account created. Inside the storage account, we have the blob containers. For company 1, company 2, and company 3. If we open this folder, we'll see all the reports here. And if we open such a blob, we'll see the metadata that we've set. So the report here is 2019. For report 2, C1 2019, TXT. Then let's see the downloaded files. So here we have all the reports from year 2018. So this worked very smoothly. I hope you enjoyed this presentation, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.